And if you're over 60, listen very closely. There is one simple pantry ingredient, something you've had in your kitchen for decades that can dramatically improve your blood flow, your energy, your digestion, and yes, even your performance down there. It's not a supplement. It's not a medication. It's not an exotic herb. It is baking soda, but only if you use it the right way. Most men use it incorrectly. Some use way too much, and many unknowingly damage their stomach or kidneys by trying home hacks they saw online. But when used safely and correctly, baking soda can reduce inflammation, help your blood vessels relax, support nitric oxide, decrease acid buildup, and improve energy circulation throughout the entire body. I'm going to show you the safe and medically correct way to use baking soda, how it helps men over 60 improve blood flow, the dangerous mistakes older men must avoid, who should never take baking soda internally, and the simple method I give to my older patients. Stay until the end. I will also reveal the even more powerful morning drink that works perfectly with baking soda to boost circulation. Let's begin. Why blood flow declines after 60. Most men think poor blood flow is caused by old age. Not true. Here are the real reasons your circulation becomes weaker after 60. The acid buildup in the body. After 60, the body becomes slightly more acidic because the kidneys process acid less efficiently. The liver detoxes more slowly. We eat more acidic foods. Stress hormones increase. Acid buildup stiffens blood vessels, reduces nitric oxide, and makes your circulation sluggish. Baking soda helps neutralize this acidity temporarily, giving your blood vessels relief. The inflammation in the arteries. Years of sugar, processed foods, alcohol, smoking, low activity, cause inflammation inside the arteries. Baking soda helps by lowering inflammatory markers and reducing irritation. Inside blood vessels, poor digestion harms blood flow. When digestion is weak, the stomach produces excess acid and gas. This leads to bloating, poor nutrient absorption, low nitric oxide, reduced oxygen delivery. Baking soda improves digestion and relieves pressure on the heart and blood vessels. Nitric oxide drops with age. Nitric oxide is the molecule responsible for erections, energy, heart function, stamina. Acidic environments lower nitric oxide. When you balance acidity, nitric oxide increases naturally. What baking soda actually does in the body. Baking soda does not directly increase blood flow. It creates an environment that allows your body to improve circulation on its own. Here's how. It only balances pH, reduces acidity. This relaxes blood vessels and improves oxygen flow. 2. Improves nitric oxide levels. A more alkaline environment preserves no molecules longer. 3. Reduces inflamación. Studies show baking soda activates the spleen to lower inflammation throughout the body. 4. Helps blood move more smoothly. Thick acidic blood moves slowly. Balanced blood moves faster. 5. Improves digestion. Better nutrient absorption, better circulation. So yes, baking soda can improve blood flow, but only if used correctly. The wrong ways older men use baking soda. Please listen carefully. These are the dangerous mistakes. Mistake number 1, taking tablespoons instead of teaspoons. Some men take a full tablespoon. That is extremely risky. It can cause kidney strain, stomach rupture, dangerous electrolyte imbalance. Never do this. Mistake number 2, taking it after every meal. This weakens stomach acid long-term and destroys digestion. Your stomach needs acidity to break food. Mistake number 3, mixing with vinegar or lemon. This causes a violent chemical reaction. Online videos show this as a cleanse, but it can damage the stomach lining. Mistake number 4, using baking powder instead of baking soda. Baking powder contains aluminum and additives. Only pure baking soda should be used. Mistake number 5, using it daily for long periods. Not safe. Not necessary. It should be used occasionally, not as a daily supplement. Men who should never use baking soda internally. Kidney disease patients, high blood pressure patients, heart failure patients, those on sodium-restricted diets, men taking diuretics or lithium. The right way to use baking soda for better blood flow. Here is the only safe method I give to my older patients. This is the circulation reset method. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon baking soda, full glass of room temperature water, 250-300 ml. How to take it: add 1-2 teaspoon baking soda to the water. Stir thoroughly until fully dissolved. Drink slowly over 2 to 3 minutes. Timing: take it once per day, only on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning or 2 hours after a meal. Duration: use for 5 days only, then stop for at least 2-3 weeks. This is not a daily treatment. It is a short balancing reset. What you should expect after 3-7 days. Most seniors notice less bloating, better digestion, clearer breathing, more stable energy, warmer hands and feet, better morning circulation, reduced pressure in the chest or belly, and in many men, improved erection quality, stronger morning wood, faster blood flow in the pelvic area. Again, this happens not because baking soda is magic, but because it creates the right internal environment for circulation to improve. Real patient story, Jean, 72 years old. Jane was a 72-year-old man who came to my office complaining about cold hands and feet, heavy legs, bloating, poor circulation during intimacy. He thought something was seriously wrong. I checked his labs, everything was normal except mild acidity and inflammation. So I gave him the baking soda circulation reset, a simple 5-minute walking routine, 2 morning foods that boost nitric oxide. 5 days later, he told me, "Doctor, the heaviness in my legs is gone. My stomach feels lighter, and I woke up with a strong erection I haven't felt in years." His wife smiled and said, "Whatever you did, it's working." This is the power of lowering acidity and inflammation for foods that boost the circulation benefits. If you want even better results, combine the baking soda reset with these foods. Beetroot, the #1 nitric oxide food for older men. Pomegranate, strengthens and cleans arteries. Spinach or arugula, nitrate-rich, improves erections. The dark chocolate, 70% plus, relaxes blood vessels. These work synergistically with improved pH balance. A more powerful morning drink optional. If you really want strong results, here is my Urologist circulation drink. 1 glass warm water, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon raw honey, 1 slice of fresh ginger, 1-2 teaspoon lemon juice. Only if no stomach issues. Drink 3 times per week, not daily. This boosts nitric oxide, blood flow, digestion, prostate health. Final message for older men. Weak blood flow is not just an age problem. It's a chemistry problem. Your body becomes more acidic. Your vessels become more inflamed. Your digestion becomes weaker. Nitric oxide drops. But with simple tools like proper, safe baking soda use, you can restore balance and circulation naturally. Just remember, use small amounts. Use the correct timing. Use the correct frequency. Avoid dangerous combinations. Your health, your vitality, your energy, they're still inside you. You simply have to activate them.